Hello guys, in this video tutorial I would talk to you about how to install Facebook Pixel on Shopify. And well, I need to talk to you about something really important.
Shopify is going to end their 3-month trial and replace it with 1-month trial. I was advising you all to take advantage of this free account and get that extra 60 to 90 days. This wasn't just my information. I have a contact at Shopify who informed me about this early on. They knew I had a YouTube channel, so they thought I would be let the world know in advance. I can reveal their identity for obvious reasons, as I don't want them to get in trouble at Shopify. Some of you found out this from my video and took action to create an account before the change. Now the change is here, so you can get that 3 months free anymore. However, you still have the option to pay one for a 3-day trial or pay one for a month, and then normal monthly fee. If you have signaled up to the right time, as per my video, you will have saved about $80. It's not a huge amount, but it's a little help. If you are still interested in joining Shopify, I will leave you a link in the description where you can join for $1 for a month after you treat the free trial. Now the offer is to sign for a free trial and enjoy your first month for just $1. This is different from the early offer of a 2 weeks free trial followed by one for 3 months. Things change, but I want to remind you that when I put out message about the coming change, I'm serious. This is another example of why it's important not to procrastinate. Anyway, let's continue with the video.
And well, let's continue. We click on here and start your Shopify store and get 3 months here. We wait like 1 or 3 seconds. If you can see here, basically it's bring your ideas to life for 1 per month. You can see shape the future of your business, sign up for free trial and enjoy your first month for just $1. Here we have the first questions. For example, what is Shopify and how does it work? Shopify is a complete commerce platform that allows you to start, develop, and manage a business. With Shopify, you can create and customize an online store. This is really important. For example, selling multiple places such as websites, mobile devices, social media, online marketplace, brick and mortar store, and pop-up store. Manage products, inventory, payments, and shipping. Shopify is fully cloud-based and hosted, which means you don't have to worry about updating or maintaining software for server. This gives you the flexibility to run for your business and access from almost anyways, even from your mobile device. How much does Shopify cost? Try Shopify for free. I say that before, and I can host my own domain in Shopify. And this is really important. If you don't use a personal, basically domain in Shopify, they give you a domain, but that domain is not professional, and that it's not good for you and for your customers. For that, I suggest you to buy one. And in the description we have a links, and with that links you can basically have one really cheap. Do I need to be a designer or developer to use Shopify? No, you don't need to be design or develop to use Shopify. And basically that's it. Here you need to put your email, and basically that. 2 seconds after that, it's basically here. This almost done, then it's not take a lot of time, like 4 or 3 minutes maybe, but it's really fast and it's really good. When you are here, it's really important to do this, and it's basically go to Add Apps, Shopify App Store, you click on here, you wait like 1 or 2 seconds. I suggest you always to wait and take your time for all that step. Why? Because if you don't take the time for that step, basically you are rushing things and it's not good. You need to take your time, think about it, and basically breathe. If you don't breathe and you don't think, well, they take you a lot of time and it's difficult for you. And now here we need to click here and put pixel. Something really important is that it's all word search and have the correction of that. For example, is Facebook and Instagram Meta. It's basically this. Don't make that pixel, don't do that, because basically that are other apps and have the same name, and that is not what we want. For example, we want this: Facebook and Instagram. That is the official app. For example, you can see developed by Meta and that theme. Now let me explain you a little of this page, and basically you need to be sure if this is developed, again, the reviews and the rating. Sell on Facebook and Instagram and simply manage your business from one place in Shopify. Grow your business on Facebook and Instagram while managing order, return, and more. Easily promote your products and target accurately using purposeful marketing tools. And reach new customers and offer seamless in-app shopping experience from discovery to checkout. Automatically sync your LBH products to your Facebook and Instagram shop, so you can sell from the one inventory while easily creating apps and shoppable proof right now where your customers are. And you can see, for example, when we finish, we only click here in install. That takes a few seconds. That depends on your internet. Another important thing, we need to click on here on install. This takes a few seconds too. And when that thing search, it's basically we are here. We need to click here and get start. And remember, you need to pin your navigation for half the application basically here. Get started, drop yourself with advanced catalog ads. You click on here, connect with Facebook in a business account, and terms conditions. For example, the first connect account. You click on here to create a new business account. You have your page and other of your themes. Well, you basically have it. For example, here we can see conservative, shades, and maximum. I suggest you to select exchange or conservative because maximum is too much for me, but it's maybe for you it's good, for me not, but here is safe. Here we need to create a meta pixel, and I connect because I have one. It's really easy to create. You only need to go here in, and basically here you can create. You need to click on here and create. It's really simple. If you don't know how to do that, basically in the channel we have a video tutorial, and that tutorial you can see it. For example, here we click on confirm, terms and condition, and grid, and submit for review. And basically that takes like 1 or 3 days available, and that's it. It's really simple. And that's it all. Thanks for watching and subscribe. Remember, enjoy. And other thing, don't go. Well, remember, if you are doing a website and a Shopify store, you need to have experience and, well, basically work hard and be perseverance. And now, yes, that's all. Thanks for watching and subscribe.